definitely gonna make myself ill. What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to my channel and welcome here if you're new. If you came here thinking it was a baking tutorial, it might be. We don't really know yet because haven't started it, haven't got the cake in the oven, haven't taken it out and seen if it fails or not. So if it does fail, then this isn't a tutorial. But you can wait till the end and find out, because
if you really try and understand what the heck is going on and you know it's a tutorial, boom, there you go. I didn't include all the measurements, but it's not my recipe, so.
Today I'm going to try and make some sort of zebra cake. 180 degrees C. Eggs and flour. I have a wide variety of bowls. 2 bowls that are like small. Don't think I'll need them. Why did I do that? And then we have a medium bowl that we're going to use when we separate the batter. And then I've got a big fat bowl that I can literally fit over my face. Coco, stop licking my leg. Bro, it's just weird. I just got that everywhere. Ew! See, you're really putting me off now.
Also, it's like 10 and I'm still editing this, so if I get this up on the 1st of December, which is the day after I film this, please, please, please appreciate the hard work.
I'm going to tidy up as I go, because then it feels like I'll have less tidying up to do later. Then I need my 4 eggs, which are supposed to be at room temperature, and they are 125 grams. Lots of sugar as well. That is a lot of sugar. I'm really worried for like my life. Now I can use this for rubbish. Actually, I need to weigh my butter out. Why is this so hard? Uno egg. That did not go well. I didn't get shell in it though, so that's an achievement. Ew, my hand's covered in egg now. This is why I don't. This is why I just don't. I'm going to wash my hands now so I don't get salmonella and die, because I'm going to be eating enough raw cake batter anyway. And I know that the eggs in the UK are protected against salmonella, but I'm dramatic. I just think it looks really cute and tasty and good and fresh, and just really good and fresh. I'm back. Ah, that went everywhere. I'm scared. So now I'm supposed to divide it in half? I don't understand. This isn't cake batter yet. Oh, it's supposed to be the sugar and the soft butter. Oh, that makes so much more sense. It won't come off either. That's way too little. I need like another 100 grams. They want you to warm. That's like still a solid lump, but it's all good. It's all good. This is very high speed. Why is this not going on? What is going on? So I'm just going to carry on with the best. Scrape the edges. If at any point in this video there's some little snuffling and little like poor scratchy noises, it's my dog. She like always has to be with everybody, and if we're not all in the same room at the same time, then she has extreme anxiety and it's like, ah! She'll come through and check up on me every like 2 seconds. She's so cute. Oh my god, I'm covered. Where do I put it now? I'll just like put it over here. Sorry, I'm disgusting. Could somebody help me divide it in half, please? I'm not that talented. Please. Could you help me divide it in half? Because I can't do that. Like, it just has to be like half-ish. Vanilla and 1 tablespoon of the milk. How much vanilla? This is a new one. I won't be able to open this. Oh, I did it! Half a teaspoon. Is that right? Half a teaspoon. That's something like not a lot. Yeah, that's like nothing. What? Mad. Oh, it's all good. This milk doesn't have a cap. That's worrying. I'm just an expert at this. That was a teaspoon. Oh, so it's 3 of these then. Why am I like this? Let me taste it. It tastes of nothing. Leave the bags. I'm not putting it in bags, I'm just swirling it around hoping it works, people. That's probably 1. I'm gonna say that's 2. And then I'm gonna say that's 3. I'm so accurate. 1, 2, 3. Now I presume I just kind of put it in the thing. So I couldn't find the right size cake tin, so I'm just gonna use this one and hope it doesn't overflow, and it's silicone, so I literally have to not grease it and it'll just be fine, so that's what I'm doing. Ooh, baby, all I want for Christmas is you, baby. It's the 1st of December tomorrow. Pop you in there for now, and then I'll do some chocolate. I feel like I've definitely got more chocolate than vanilla, but again, that's just life, people. Yeah, I'll put this in and then I'll be back when it's done cooking. Oh my god, I've been filming for like almost an hour. Wow, that's depressing. I just took the cake out of the oven. It looks really yellow in this shot. I don't really know why. Nothing immediately springs to sight apart from those really burnt bits on the edge, but they're fine. I just hope it's gonna be okay inside. I think it's okay. I hope it's okay. It's cool now. I did all the washing up because I'm a responsible teenager. While it was baking, I finished watching the most recent episode of Riverdale and I hated it. I don't know why I watch it because it always scares me so much. But here I am. How do I get it out? Oh my god, it's actually marbled! There's a huge air bubble in it there, like you can see right through, but I'm pretty proud with that. Does it taste good? It's a little crunchier than I'd like, but I have to say it's not half bad. Did it! Now I just have to slice it up awkwardly and try and fit it all in. Oh my god, it's good. Wow, okay. I really wasn't expecting that. So yeah guys, that was my video. Be sure to hit like and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss next Saturday's video, because I post at random times in the day because I'm disorganized. I'll see you next time. Bye!